Final dispatch order. In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to create a final dispatch order in Kloud. A final dispatch order is the final order containing details like the quantity, volume and the number of packages. It is created after the goods and products are shipped in the container. In order to create this, we will first navigate to the transaction, and then click on the final dispatch order. To begin entering details for your final dispatch order, click on the New button. Now click on the Select Dispatch Order button. A pop-up will appear where you must select the dispatch order and click on the OK button. All the related data will appear in a grid. Now you have to enter the marks, package and package quantity, after which you have to click on the Save button. Finally, saving all the above mentioned details will lead you to successfully complete your final dispatch order. You can now find the final dispatch order by clicking on the Find button, and all the details you just created will be visible. Furthermore, if you wish to change the details in the final dispatch order, click on the Revise button and you will be able to alter it as per your user rights. Record will be saved successfully.